Thinking about selling your home? It's a big decision, one that comes with a lot of questions. How do you maximize your home's value? What should you focus on first? Hi, I'm Beatrix Whipple from the Whipple Group, and today I'm going to walk you through our seamless, step-by-step process that makes selling your home stress-free and successful. From preparation to marketing and everything in between, we handle every detail so you can focus on your next chapter. Let's dive in. Preparation is the foundation of a successful sale. At the Whipple Group, we start with a complimentary home inspection, our way of identifying and addressing potential issues before they can become obstacles during negotiations. Once the inspection is complete, we move on to staging. Our expert stager provides a detailed room-by-room plan to elevate your home's appeal. From rearranging furniture to adding stylish decor, every decision is designed to help buyers fall in love at first sight. Here's why this matters. Staged homes sell 88% faster and for 20% more than non-staged homes. This small investment can lead to a big payoff. For example, we listed a property at Leisure World, which is typically very long days on market because the buyer pool is so small. The staging elevated the property in a way that made buyers be able to see that it was unique and see themselves in the home. And we sold this property within 45 days on market, which was a record sale for that area. Once your home is market ready, we bring in the big guns. High quality photography, cinematic videos, and even virtual tours. Every home, no matter its price, is marketed as a premium property. We also host grand open houses to create buzz and excitement. Think of it as the first impression that buyers won't forget. Here's a tip. Professional photos can increase online views by 118%. That's why we never cut corners when it comes to presenting your home. Every single property that we list, we hire an architectural grade photographer so that every property photo is magazine quality. This enables buyers to envision themselves in an aspirational way in the property, fall in love with it, and have an emotional attachment to the home. Selling your home is a journey, and communication is key. We provide weekly updates, including buyer feedback, showing stats, and market trends. This transparency ensures you always know where you stand. Our job isn't just to sell your home, it's to make sure you feel supported and confident every step of the way. Here's something to keep in mind. Clear communication not only reduces stress, but also ensures that you make informed decisions during negotiations. When we communicate with our clients about their listing and their buyer feedback, we really try to take a holistic approach to the market. We're not just looking at the showings and what buyers have said, we're also looking at what the climate is showing, what interest rates are doing, what other active listings are on the market, because buyers aren't just looking at the sold comps, they're also looking at other homes that are on the market at that time and comparing them to the property. So we try to get into your buyer's head to help you make the right decisions for your listing. At the Whipple Group, selling your home isn't just about the transaction, it's about helping you move forward with confidence and success. From start to finish, we're here to guide you, advocate for you, and elevate your experience. If you're ready to see what our seamless process can do for you, give us a call or visit our website to schedule a consultation. Let's make your next move unforgettable.